Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are looking at Max Olympiad problem. The question is given if xyz belongs to integers x square plus y square plus z equal to 15, x plus y plus z square equal to 27, xy plus yz plus zx equal to 7. Find the value of x comma y comma z. So here as you are going to solve this problem, before starting the problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it out. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. More than 500 Olympiad problems are uploaded. It will appreciate us to make more videos. So thank you. Let's solve this problem together. So here some logic is there. So let s is equal to x plus y plus z. Then only we'll get the answer. So here adding first one, second one plus 2 times of third one. Third one is multiplied with 2. So what will get here? X square plus y square plus z. X plus y plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2yz plus 2zx is equal to 15 plus 27 plus 2 times of 7 is 14. So here you'll get 56. So here x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx, already you know this formula, plus x plus y plus z will get. So this one is nothing but x plus y plus z whole square plus x plus y plus z is equal to or minus 56 equal to 0. So here s square plus s minus 56 equal to 0. S into or you can write down s square plus 8s minus 7s minus 56 equal to 0. S into s plus 8 minus 7 into s plus 8 equal to 0. S is equal to 7 or minus 8. So what is s value? X plus y plus z value 7. X plus y plus z value is minus 8. So here from this x plus y is equal to 7 minus z. Here also x plus y is equal to minus 8 minus z. Both parallel you are doing. Now replace this x plus y in second equation. So here x plus y means 7 minus z plus z square is equal to 27. Here minus 8 minus z plus z square is equal to 27. So here what will get z square minus z minus 20 equal to 0. Now here what will get z square minus z. So here minus 35 is equal to 0. So here you will get the factors z square minus 5z plus 4z minus 20 equal to 0, z into z minus 5 plus 4 into z minus 5 equal to 0. Z is equal to 5r minus 4r. So if you take the second case, so z square minus z square minus z minus 35. So here you won't get the factors. So D is here z is not having square root. So here you won't get integers. Z is not having square root. So z value will get d value will get 142. Square root of 142 you are not getting, so you won't get integers. Now here we will take the first case. So z value 5, z value minus 4. Then x plus y will be 2 and x plus y will be minus 11. Minus 7 minus 4 plus 4 will get plus 11 now. So here x plus y equal to z. Now replace z in 3. Replace z value in 3. So what is 3 here? Xy plus yz plus zx equal to 7. So if you keep z value here, so xy plus, so here z value 5, 5 into x plus y value 2 is equal to 7. Xy value will get 7 minus 10. Xy is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3 by x. Now replace this value here. You will get a quadratic. So x minus 3 by x is equal to 2. X square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. X equal to 3. X equal to 3 r minus 1 now. Now y value will be minus 1 or 3. So these are the values you are getting, xy values. Now if you take the second case, xy plus yz plus zx equal to 7. Xy plus here 11 into 5 is equal to 7. Xy is equal to sorry, here minus 4. Z value minus 4 you are taking. So 51 you are getting. So here y is equal to 51 by x. X plus 51 by x is equal to 11. X square minus 11x plus 51 equal to 0. So here x does not belongs to R. Therefore, x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 1, z equal to 5. X equal to minus 1, y equal to 3, z equal to 5 are the solutions. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath. I hope you understood the video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.